Okay, so came home and Amy has made a lot of progress today. We have our ceilings painted, the hallway, and we have wallpaper up in the kitchen, which I think came out bomb. We also got the ceiling painted in the dinette. We do need to paint that wall and this wall, and then we were able to hang that cabinet. But I think for today, we're going to try and tackle this. All the lower cabinets are painted. We're going to get those installed. I'm going to start marking holes on the ground to run gray water and fresh water through. And hopefully we can start to get our layout for our water pump and our sink gray water. Wouldn't be a DIY project if you didn't hit roadblocks. Everything fits. We got the supports put up in the back for the back side of the countertop. But before I go ahead and close this off, I think I want to finish all the plumbing. So I took all my measurements, made my marks. We're going to leave that like it is right now. We're not going to secure it. What we are going to do is start on this cabinet here that's going to hold the fridge. And then we're going to utilize this existing door as a vent for the fridge. So we're going to build this cabinet out. We've got a couple marks down there, the height of the shelf that the fridge sits on, and then we'll have to aug a hole out of the wall there so we can access the back side of the fridge. But, yep, that's the next step. Okay, so there is the one finish wall. I think Amy is going to do the wallpaper on this one to match. But we'll see. So there's one side. We gotta run to Lowe's, get some more lumber. So we're gonna do, this will be finished plywood, obviously on this side. This side is just gonna be OSB because we're gonna do like a 45-degree little pantry thing here with some shelves, so we still have access into the dinette. So we gotta run to the store, get some more lumber, a couple screws. We'll be back. Basset Hound got out of the backyard, so she felt the need to come in here and do an inspection. Hi, Penny. 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 Hi. Oh, and we got the other one. Third one hasn't made it in yet. Daisy, where you at? There she is. You checking it out, dog? Just a little faster.
Amazing what happens when you use the right tools.
Cussing up a storm. I'm never doing this again. I'm getting the right tool. And I went, oh, hell, I do have the right tool. Sitting in the garage.
I already have it.
I'm assuming this is the bottom. That was uneventful. Okay, so got quite a bit done today. Not as much as I wanted to get done, but we got something done. Get out of that. So, we got the wallpaper up. You saw that in the video. The electrical is finalized as far as the 115 in the kitchen goes. Today we got the lower cabinets put in. We did get the mounts in the back put up for the countertop. We got those anchored into the wall, anchored into the aluminum studs on this side. We were able to lay the countertop on it. That gave us the layout, the right angle for this piece in the middle. Also let us know where the plumbing goes down for the gray water drain in the sink. We were able to lay out where the freshwater inlet needs to come in from the outside to fill up the freshwater tank. And then we were able to build this. We salvaged this from the donor trailer, but we had to build these. The other ones, they didn't make it out of the other wreck. We also have to have access to the bottom side of the fridge from the outside. We're able to cut that, get that installed in the wall. I think before that's finalized, I think what we're going to end up doing is pulling that back out, and I'm going to wrap the outside of that with some like roofing tape or something, so we don't have to worry about water getting inside. And then also we're going to add a board to the bottom and a board to the top here to secure this plastic frame. On the other one, they had it kind of like toe-nailed into an aluminum stud, so we don't have that. We weren't able to do that. But that's it for today. Tomorrow, get some gas lines mocked up, start putting in freshwater plumbing, maybe even a little hot water, and start laying out water going into the bathroom. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.